Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're doing a comparison between FILMORA AI and Wondershare FILMORA in 2025. So we know that a lot of people are looking for the best video making app, so let's introduce you to these two. Let's start with the feature. So when it comes to the core identity, FILMORA AI is an AI powered speed demon, that's right, while FILMORA, FILMORA is a versatile creative studio, that is Wondershare FILMORA. So let's look at the next feature it has. You see, the next feature we're going to examine is what it's best for. And FANT AI Video Maker, or FANT AI Image and Video Maker, is for absolute beginners, social media managers, and anyone who needs professional looking videos and need them fast. While Wondershare FILMORA is for budding creators, vloggers, and those who want hands-on control and a vast library of effects. So when it comes to the learning curve, or should I say editing style, yes, when it comes to the editing style, FANT AI is AI driven and automated. So you just guide the AI. It does the heavy lifting of editing, finding clips, and adding effects. You just type in, just describe what you want in text, and to do the rest for you. But Wondershare, when it comes to Wondershare, it's a little different. You see, even though it is moderately easy, the AI doesn't do everything for you. Yes, it's user friendly. You have the drag and drop interface, but it requires a bit of a learning curve to master all the features. So it is moderately easy, but that of FANT AI is just AI doing it, just typing your text of what you want. Let's go to the key strength. Key strength of FANT AI is the speed and simplicity. It turns a text prompt into a finished video in minutes, so it is incredible for rapid content creation. While that of FILMORA, that is Wondershare FILMORA, it is manual and it's hands-on, which means you have full control over the timeline, and then it has depth and flexibility. So it has a massive built-in library of music, stickers, transitions, and AI effects, like for example AI portrait for detailed customization. Let's look at the next feature we have here. The next feature we're going to looking at is the ideal output. Yes. What kind of output do you expect from FANT AI? You're going to get short, impactful videos for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and quick promotional content. While from FILMORA, you can expect to get polished, longer form content like YouTube videos, vlogs, tutorials, and presentations. So lastly, we're going to examine is the verdict. You see, what my verdict for FANT AI video or image maker is that it is your productivity turbo boost. That is, it saves you time, which is money, as we know, and it is perfect for creating consistent content without the hassle. Exactly. Now, what is our verdict for FILMORA? Well, FILMORA is your creative background, your creative playground. It gives you the tools to build exactly what you envision. It's a fantastic investment for growing your brand. So in essence, what am I saying? What I'm saying is that you can choose FANT AI for speed and automation, and you can choose FILMORA for creativity and control. Both of them are actually awesome tools. So which one sounds right for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips that saves you time and money.